Hi everybody, it's time for the second video, part 2. I'm gonna be drawing this kitty cat with my left hand. So let's start. Okay, calibrated it to be my left hand, and even now, my thumb, it feels weird. My thumb isn't sure of where to go with the pen. And here, there's a muscle here, if that makes any sense. Around here, I'm not I'm not a doctor. It feels like it's trying more than usual to do anything. Let's see. I'm gonna write my name. Oh my god. U-R-I. Let me see. E-L. Alright, it's not that bad. It looks like kindergarten ruined though, but let's see. This is my right hand. That's better. All right, so let's do this. Okay, once the monitor was taken care of, I moved on to following my own tutorial. So we started again with the circle. But this time, instead of talking about the tutorial, I'm gonna talk a little bit about my experience with this. I was very surprised that early on my hand hurt so much. It was kind of like doing exercise with my hand, of course. But the amount of, not, I don't want to say pain because it wasn't like an exaggerated amount, but it was just bizarre drawing while my hand was on pain. That was a new one for me. I did realize while doing this that I did end up using the undo button quite a lot, so I decided to go against it and use it as little as possible for this. My hand was on fire, but it was so kind of fun to do. Overall, despite the picture being pretty simple to do, it was very complicated just because my hand didn't have the dexterity that I wanted it to have, and I don't even have develop, so it was pretty fun to do this though. It was eye-opening to see how little I use my left hand. It was really cool. From here on though, I am gonna go ahead and post the rest of the speed drawing. If you want to go ahead and fast forward, I am going to go ahead and set a timestamp. So that pretty much covers the speed drawing with my left hand. This drawing was so much fun because it definitely made me get out of my comfort zone. One thing I loved about this exercise was having the freedom to be able to mess up. I feel like usually in my art, I tend to be very strict with myself and tend to be very, how do you say, perfectionist, which in the long run is not a very healthy mindset to have. So this definitely allowed me to explore and create, which is what this channel is all about. With that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and leave it here. I'm gonna go ahead and show you the results. Here is both drawings in comparison. I still haven't decided what I'm gonna do on next video, but I am gonna go ahead and post something art related. If you have some constructive criticism or any ideas that you'd like me to try, I would really love to hear it. I am gonna go ahead next video and try to make a video in Spanish, so if you're bilingual, you're in luck. I'm gonna go ahead and leave it here for now. Hope you guys are well. Take care. Bye.